Hi, I'm Roger and I'll be your guide for this video. Today we'll cover the benefits of the Plus license for Matricon Data Broker OPCtoUA Adapter. Before we begin, we need to take a look at the prerequisites required for this product. Please ensure that you have Matricon Data Broker version 2.3.1 or later installed, configured and licensed. Matricon OPCtoUA Adapter installed and configured. If you haven't watched the OPCtoUA Adapter Quick Start video, please watch that first. There is a link below. And finally, please make sure you have Matricon OPC UA Explorer connected to Matricon Data Broker and that you are logged in as the admin user. To enable Adapter Plus features, you'll need to apply a Plus license for the OPCtoUA Adapter. If you requested this feature with your initial purchase, the Plus license may have already been activated when you applied the Matricon Data Broker license. If this is the case, you can skip to the next section. Click on Configuration. Expand License Management panel and paste the license code. If the computer is not connected to the internet, use Activate License Offline button and follow the instructions to manually claim the license. Otherwise, use the Activate License Online button. The license server will be contacted and a license will be returned and activated. This may take up to a minute. Once the license has been installed, if you scroll down, you'll see Matricon Data Broker OPCtoUA Adapter Plus is now licensed. Let's head back to the adapter configuration to check out the features enabled by the Plus license. I'll just modify the screen so we can see the whole window by dragging the log window down. The first feature included with the Plus license is the ability to change the OPC server hostname. Whilst we recommend the OPCtoUA adapter be installed on the same computer as the classic OPC server, there will be cases where this is not possible, and DCOM will be used between the components. An example could be where the OPC server vendor doesn't allow installation of third-party software on their computer. Because DCOM can be complex to configure, and this approach is not recommended, I won't be demonstrating this. By enabling read-only access, you can ensure that any writes made from OPC UA clients to Matricon Data Broker do not get passed on to the underlying classic OPC server. To illustrate this feature, I've added a tag that has write access. I've also got Classic OPC Explorer open to show writes are getting through to the underlying OPC server, which in this case is Matricon OPC Server for Simulation. I'll adjust these windows so that you can see both of them. As you can see, if I write a value into UA Explorer, the value is accepted by Data Broker. If we take a look at Classic OPC Explorer, we can see the value is being written to the underlying OPC server. Let's configure read-only access. Click Configure, then Adapter Configuration. Choose your adapter and click on your object. Enable the Set Access Rights to Read-Only option. Click Apply, and then Save. If we go back to the data view and try to write a value, we now get an error saying that the write has failed because the access permission is read-only. Taking a look at the classic side, we can see that the write didn't come through. In the case that you have a classic OPC server with a large tag list in the tens of thousands or greater, initial browsing operations will take a long time. Or perhaps you want to restrict browsing to a specific set of tags. If you only want a subset of tags, the custom import address space is what you need. This allows you to define the tags you wish to access and is simple to configure. In this example, we'll use the Matricon OPC server for simulation, and I want to only import Bucket Brigade tags. Start by opening Matricon OPC Explorer, which you can do from the Start menu, and connect to the OPC server of choice. Click Add Tags. Add the tags you want. I'm going to add all of Bucket Brigade, and then click OK. Once you're back at the main screen, right-click on Group and choose Export Items. Provide a location to save your file to. I'll just put it on the desktop and give it a name. And click Save. OPC Explorer can be closed at this point, and we'll go back to UA Explorer. Ensure that you are on the Import Address Space tab and click Browse. Expect a message advising that the address space browsing will be disabled to the classic OPC server. Click OK. Choose the file that you saved and click Select. Then click Apply and finally Save. If we head back to the data view and browse, we can now see that only the imported items are present. Like so. That brings us to the end of this video, showcasing the plus features for the OPCtoUA Adapter for Matricon Data Broker. If this video was helpful, please let me know by hitting the like button. Keep an eye out for other helpful videos from Matricon. The easiest way to do this is to hit that subscribe button now. Thanks guys!